We're currently in Bangkok, Thailand, on the worst road ever. Khao San Road. It's like the Bill Street of Memphis, the Bourbon Street, New Orleans.
Alright.
What's up? She said she know just how that stress gets. When you hungry and you just trying to eat breakfast and nobody feel your message, feel good enough to wake up and then fall back to sleep. It's a bad car to go get involved like
Check it out.
They give the feeling of the seaside, hung over and pissed, but with the flick of the wrist, yo, I can kick shit like this. I'll be as good as it gets, even through all my vices. My inner being Rastafarian, always 103 times you get Spartacus. What's with all you knockoffs and self-conscious narcissists? Said I'm an artist.
Hey. So we're from it's right here.
I'm from Isan.
Sakanakan.
Where eat dog.
Homie flipped on a record, I beat it up, ain't no challenge. I smoked the weed while my grandmother's comforts me. Chick look ugly, I ain't never tripping about the lack of company.
We're here, Thailand. I'm gonna tell you how to eat some Thai food. Papaya salad. Got a little bit of crab, prawn, Thai salad. Very hot. What we have is some chicken, which is called gao. What you do is throw a little peppers on it. You dig? It's called pet, hot. Do this, more pepper. How you eat it like this. 2. Put it on that. So good. By the way, I'm done with that. Sweating my ass off. And I can't tell you a better place that I would like to end my night. Except the massage parlor.